Adding major value to your home requires strategic investment. So here are 5 ways to achieve significant appreciation. Number 1, kitchen renovation. Invest in high-quality appliances, modern cabinetry, and stylish fixtures. Consider an open concept or adding a kitchen island for extra counter space and storage. Number 2, bathroom remodel. Upgrade fixtures, replace outdated tile, and consider adding a luxury feature like a beautiful walk-in shower. Number 3, energy-efficient upgrades. Invest in energy-efficient windows, doors, and appliances. Consider investing in solar panels or updating your home's insulation. Number 4, outdoor living space. Create a well-designed patio, deck, or outdoor kitchen. Enhance landscaping with a built-in fire pit or a water feature. And number 5, home automation. Install smart thermostats, lighting, security cameras, and door locks, all controlled via a smartphone app. Focusing on these features will really help maximize your home's potential for resale and attract buyers. Want to tap into your home's equity to get the job done? Homespire can help.